As a people of hope, we believe that there's songs the world needs to hear, and there's art the world needs to see, and there's films that we need to experience.
You've given creatives a platform to tell their story. Thank you.
You promoted us as artists and gave us venues to show our work.
You're helping us bring home our little girl from Ethiopia.
Thank you for encouraging artists to keep doing what we love.
Because of your generosity, I get to do what I love.
Thanks for telling my story and encouraging me as an artist.
You saw my films and supported my dreams.
We need your help as we continue to fund and promote creatives and projects. We are looking for small monthly donations to make a big difference.
The Rooster Party, a family of creatives.
From all of us at the Rooster Party, we want to say thank you.
The Rooster Party, a revolution of hope.